To find the chord and key finder tool, come to Tshepo Piano Lessons, right? We have created that just for you. If you've been looking for chord or keys and chord finder, I'm just gonna show you what we've created just for you. It's very interactive. So what you wanna do first, come to Tshepo Piano Lessons, navigate to tools, and then we have tons of tools here, or a couple rather. From there, come and find key and chord finder. What it does by default, right? It's gonna be on C. We have added all the keys. The idea is to help you find your key, right? We've added the major and the minor. The default is gonna be on major. If you wanna find your scale in the key of C, it's also showing you the formula here. You've heard this a lot: whole step, half step, all those kind of things. We bring them here. It is very interactive. It brings the sound as well, because sound is very important to musicians, right? Sound is very important. We understand when we hear, right? Not only when we see. We do not only rely on visuals. Of course, I've added the visual map, right, so that you have an idea. But also, it is very important that the sound, also the scale, is correct. Now let's find out if this is correct. You want to find, or maybe let me not leave it to default. Let's find F sharp major. Let's find F sharp major, and then let's look at the visual. Maybe your F sharp scale. You're like, okay, no, this is correct. My 1 is here, my 2 is here, my 3 is here, my 4 is here, right? Maybe I need to add those numbers here as well, so that it's easier for those that are used to communicating using the numbering system, right? Now let's play the scale. Remember, we are finding our key here. Let's find that. Right. Let me play that again. Right. Let's say minor. Right. Let me go back to C. Let's say major. Okay, this one is easy. We all know it. I mean, it's all white notes. I'm looking for something. Let's see, minor. Okay, I can literally do this the entire day. Imagine just, maybe you are on a journey to getting the perfect pitch, right? I know it's a thing out there. When you're a musician and you have the perfect pitch, is a big thing. So maybe just come to Tshepo Piano Lessons, just listen to, and it can be like, and it's not useless. Trust me. Get to the sounds of the scales, the minor, the major. Maybe we'll add more here. We'll add more, more scales, right? We're gonna continue to improve it and just play it. This is the same. Remember, you're finding your key, you're finding the chord within that key as well, right? And hence when you play, it gives you just that. And look, it's not only that. Look, it gives us diatonic chords. Let me say C. Let's go back to C. Major. Right? It's using triad, right? I have C. So in numbers, this is gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? In fact, I have them here in numbers. So this is like your diatonic chords, right? So you do not only find the key scale, but you're finding the chord. Because what is this? Key and chord finder. And it does exactly that. You want to find the key and the chord, right? Come to Tshepo Piano Lessons, navigate to tools, and then find the key and chord finder. Let's do the last one. F sharp. Let's play diatonic chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How amazing is that? This is like your interactive instructor. Literally, you come here, you utilize these tools, you are literally in a class instead of going, and going. I mean, look, we all have our preferred ways of learning, right? You can do both. If you're like, you know what, I've been watching a lot of videos, right? Instead, I want to just, come take my time, instead of like, you like sometimes, when you have to go back to the video because some instructors, maybe they are too fast for you. Come here, take your time, play that one, right? This is interactive. It's your See it as your instructor and find your key and chord finder right here on Tshepo Piano platform, made just for you. I hope you enjoy this and appreciate it more than anything. If you appreciate this, do me a favor. Help me reach as many people with this platform. The idea is to help as many musicians that are out there. So share this with someone who's gonna appreciate it, someone that you know that they need it, someone that you know that they are on their journey of learning piano. Look, add this to their tools. There are a lot of tools that are out there. The idea is to make Tshepo's piano platform, the idea is to make these tools as easily accessible to you as possible. And that's what we're doing here, right? Okay.